you're sitting in leadership positions. Of course, there are people who you report to, as you said.
Yes.
But there are people who you lead.
Yes.
How much does listening to your juniors affect your work and even improve you as a leader?
I lead a whole department of aviation security. Experts. I call them experts. And they're experts in their own field. I'll have somebody in charge of quality control. I have somebody in charge of training. I have somebody in charge of document review. I will not be able to do all that. If I send my teams on the field to go and do inspections in the airport, there will have to be a team leader. And I have to listen to them before I make any decision, or we have to sit down. Of course, I'll make the ultimate decision, but it will be, we do consultation, we do consultative meetings, because I'm not an expert in everything. Like I told you, I joined Kenya Civil Aviation last year. They've been there longer. They understand the organization even better than I do, and the way they've been doing things. So I've learned so much from them, and some of them are so good. Like I have those doing document review who are so good. It's not everybody who can do document review. Like I do not have the patience of doing that. Okay. So you have to rely on them, and you just do you support them, you lead them, you support them, and you provide a good working condition for them to thrive in their own field. So listening to them, it's not a choice that you have when you're a leader. You have to listen to them, you have to support them, and you have to make sure that the environment is enabling for them to be able to do their work. Not only to them, you also have to listen to your seniors, because again, this is what is expected for you from them. So listening is both ways. You have to listen to your seniors, you have to listen to to people that you work with, you have to listen to the industry. Like from where I work, it's a regulatory organization. So we regulate the entire industry. So you can imagine the entire aviation security industry, the entire industry. And you're talking of JKIA, Mombasa, Malindi, whatever. It's the whole country. So you have to listen to everybody. And in security, if you don't listen, then that's a recipe for fail. Because how then are even people going to tell you that there's a problem here, there's a problem here that needs to be fixed? So listening is not an option that you have. You have to listen to everybody. And it's not just those people that report to you. Yeah. You have to listen even to this lady who cleans your office, because they came to the office earlier than you did to clean your office. And what do you don't know what they found there. So it's good to just go, say hi to them, have a small conversation with them, listen to them, and get to hear what they have to say. So listening it's a virtual. Not everybody who can listen. We are not all good at it, but it's something that you have to keep trying to improve, because you do not have a choice to listen to the people, and somebody will always know something that you don't know. Right. You keep learning every day, and learning is a continuous process.